Hey guys, we are here today with a very exciting mystery box.
Another one.
What could it be? We have no idea, but I want to thank you guys for coming here to watch this video. Ow. Gosh, what could it be? The mystery boxes are getting more mysterious every time. We'll have to open it up to find out.
Just having fun with your friends. After a long day of easy riding.
That is legit us right here.
They're like, yeah, it's true. That's
me
Fetty.
with the black ones. Yeah,
that's Gabe. All right, well, it doesn't feel very heavy. Let's open it up and see what's inside. Easy Roller, the ultimate riding machine.
I hope it's easier to ride than it is to open the box. Wow.
Just a bunch of cardboard wang dangas.
Do you roll these?
Yes.
That works.
Oh, let me get one of those. I pulled my muscle in my thigh. But it doesn't work very well.
Bro, hook it up for a real one.
Oh, okay.
Oh, what? Whoa!
It's like one of those cooking shows. Well, you just put this in for 30 minutes. Ding! Oh, it's done. What in the world is this, and how does it work? And how do you make it move?
No, they don't go that fast.
Whoa! It's like a ripstick in a bike.
Stupid. Just when you think Braille skateboarding is gonna make some skateboarding videos, we get the Easy Roller. Seriously though, we got some skateboard videos coming, guys.
No, this is 100% the best thing I've ever seen.
This is 100% skateboarding. Oh wait, hold on. Maybe it actually, nope, I'm stupid. This is how the kids in the box are riding it? I don't get it. Oh man, we're really gonna do this?
Is that a workout?
Yeah, it is actually. New video part coming soon. Oh! Wow! He just did that. He just went there. Where's Carlos? I feel like this is like the right size for him. What are we gonna do with this thing?
Play a game of skate, bro.
A game of skate?
Full park.
Seriously?
Yeah.
That was your plan?
Yes.
Me versus Fetty? I'll break my back.
Nigel can play too.
Nigel versus Fetty, and I'll judge. Game of skate, Easy Roller.
What?
That's what I said.
How are we gonna play skate on this?
Exactly. Are you in?
I'm gonna pass on this one.
You can judge. Snipe.
Yeah, it looks like you're riding around on a broomstick.
Are we gonna play SK8?
Yeah, we'll play SK8.
First try? Oh! Way scarier than I thought. Look at that turn though.
Wow.
That's freestyle.
You guys are so hesh.
He almost tipped over. This is gonna be my last easy trick and then we're going full ham. Woo!
Wow. Get it, Fetty. He's getting the steez. You see his hips getting into it?
Anything like this, Fetty like gets this confidence face. He's like,
Get some speed, AK, get some speed.
Nope.
What? Yeah, that was totally good.
Wow. He made that look easy.
How did I get myself into this position?
Rock the fakie.
Yes. I told you rock and roll would be possible.
Kick turn on the bank.
Steve. Oh, yeah. That was sick. Oh! He held on to it.
It's good.
He's trying to attack me with the Easy Roller. Ouch! Ouch! Why was that so easy for you?
I'm the man.
Kick turn on the vert wall.
What? Fetty, if you roll anything above 2 inches, I'll give it to you. What are you thinking?
There's no way we're gonna get like 3 letters.
Fetty's just been holding out.
Nope. That was your try. We gotta ease into it.
You've done this before?
Yeah.
You guys let him practice?
We're having puppy time and he's off in the background.
Oh my gosh, I almost broke my ankle. I can't do this down the 3. I'm not gonna do this. I got back issues as it is.
Did your toe touch?
No,
It didn't?
I was on top the whole time.
I love that that counts, but my perfectly executed launch up the ramp counted for nothing. Safety first. One more. I'm fully stuck.
It's slowly.
Right down the bank like this.
No.
Oh.
Your entire life has led to this very moment.
I know. First the free skates
skates.
and now this.
Come full circle. Whoa! Give it to me! Oh!
Foot
came
down. Where's the judge? Nigel, get in here. It was defense.
He didn't touch that.
I'm gonna drop in and then I'm gonna rock to fakie. Oh! I had it. I saw glory. I saw the gold medal and I saw myself holding it. And then everything went to dead.
Wow!
All right, you don't have to be so steezy on it.
It's like a drift trike, a bike, a trike, and a scooter all in one.
I love that in none of those scenarios was a skateboard involved.
No, not at all.
How is
The
this
wheels.
the most terrifying thing I've ever seen?
Oh my god!
Literally almost died. This is terrifying.
I'm gonna just lock this wheel like a feeble and drop in. So I'm gonna lock in.
Oh, let's pick the one thing Aaron can't do and just do a very slight variation of it. Oh! What now?
All right, he's gonna drop down onto the 3 coping.
Well,
That didn't really work.
Drop in, and then I'm gonna do a rock and roll.
Oh, go with the physics.
Okay, fine, I'm not gonna turn.
What?
I'm gonna hold it to fakie.
All right. I've never seen you slam so much.
I think we
on
count
video.
that. I hit the flat bottom. No?
Dude, I'm already thinking of the hacks we could do with this thing.
Oh, like what?
Imagine.
Hack it
we
up with a
stand it
hacksaw and
up,
throw it in
right?
the trash?
We stand this up. We like attach it to the one wheel, and then you can ride it like a Segway. Okay, never mind.
How did he fully jump that?
yeah, that middle line.
I'm actually really impressed with your send today, Aaron. This is the most full send I've ever seen from you.
Eat my dust.
I'm gonna 50 this.
50 what?
The edge of the ramp. Full send! Oh!
Houston, we have a problem. No, Fetty, no!
Aaron's not too keen on this one.
Look at him, look at him! Film the whole line.
My God! Rolling out.
The whole thing, it went easy, straight to my kidney. Oh.
The pad does nothing.
Geez, well, I'm out of tricks. I'm gonna go up the ramp where the step up is and then drop off the ledge and turn. Make sense?
No, I'm just gonna follow you though. Oh! Yeah! It is S to S. I'm impressed.
If anyone takes Fetty out at his own game, look at his face. He's like really upset. Drop in, rock and roll.
I'm getting really nervous for you, man.
I know, I really wanted to wind. I really want to beat him.
Oh, I gotta line it up better.
I am gonna give another attempt to fakie. Ow! Did you see what happened there? You didn't? I mean, my foot got fully pinched in between this. I gotta take a letter. I won't be able to skate for a year.
Yeah, we
my
need
back,
you, man.
Yeah, I can't do that. Wow!
Dude, he could not have done that more perfectly.
How did we not have that slow mode?
You land this, $10.
Really? One more try, I guess?
Yeah, one more try, yeah. Not for the $10, but you do have one more try.
Not for the $10. I'm just so happy that my spine isn't in 3 pieces.
Yeah, full send. The determination
For bear.
for bear.
Oh no, my favorite shirt. How did he get that so good? The look on his face when he does it, he's...
The experience he has on the drift trikes, he has to balance that one wheel on it. All right, well, I thought he's going ham. What do you think?
I think these are the hardest things I've ever had to deal with, and this metal bar right here. Just right there. Right
Looks
there.
like, yeah, it looks like they tried to combat it with padding. It just doesn't help.
At the back it should say chiropractor.com.
So what I'm trying to do, turn this and grind like that instead of grinding.
All right, guys, we hope you enjoyed this video. We had a lot of fun making this, right, Fetty?
Yeah,
Exactly.
these things are fun.
Learn to skateboard. We want each and every one of you guys to learn to skateboard. And yeah, we hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. You guys know the drill. Hashtag notification squad in the comments below, and you will be entered to win a prize package from Braille. But you have to have the notification actually turned on. You have to be a subscriber. You have to like and comment on this video. I know. Wow. It's a lot of work, but the prize package that you get, you'll be very
There's a
happy.
lot going on.
Exactly. There's a lot going on. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. We'll see you in the next daily video because we do these every single day on 3 different channels tomorrow.